Stop, please! What? Man, sure is boring around here.
Man, you're right. It sure is.
Where did you come from? Do you have any ideas, though?
So I've actually been thinking about an idea that I wanted to do for, let's say, about 24 hours.
Elaborate, please.
Time to get a little kinky. We're gonna be doing a 24-hour handcuff challenge. All right, let's get this video started. Come on. I'm so nervous.
Is that good?
Yeah.
And that's where the 24 hours.
All right, start the timer. In 3, 2, 1, go.
All right,
let's roll. Hey, ow!
hello.
We have acquired an Uber driver. Say what's up.
Hi.
Dude, this is actually crazy. There's no way of getting out except for a key. Now we gotta clean dishes. On our way back home. Yeah. Time to rotate.
Dizzy. Yeah.
Ow! Welcome to the party. Time to go.
Oh, the door.
WD-40, am I right?
Work in progress.
Get out. No. Just gloves.
Really?
Sorry.
How you feeling?
I'm not gonna be able to do this for 24 hours. Ow! Pizza! Wait for me!
Where's the dad? Where's the parents at?
Getting out of the car, round 2. Alright, close the door. POV version. Wow, Hogger!
Wow, good job.
Short sleeves.
They have a blanket.
Ow! Alright, here. We're gonna woof it over.
This is what a YouTube girlfriend is.
Huh?
This is what a YouTube.
Hey, you guys should try to,
Yeah, you can
try
grab
to
it.
jump the fence.
That'd be good. You want to?
One of them would fall and it would take the other down. That would be funny. Go. Diving.
I'm Hey! Oh, no! Get over! Get over!
You see this? Adam, you see what you did? Okay, so we made it like right over 2 hours. How do you feel about this, man?
I already want to like run away and punch you in the face.
Dude, that hurts so bad. It's
Ow!
funny.
I got the wind knocked out of me.
Look at my girlfriend. She's so cute.
Look at me. I'm so cute.
Oh, no, you're not. Yeah, so what we're actually doing right now is filming another video, and we're gonna be a host of it while they do the challenge. This is gonna be a pretty dope video. All right, yeah, we're still handcuffed. It's been like 2 hours. What we're doing is we're filming 2 videos. So we're doing 2 separate videos. They're doing a basketball video, and then we're doing this. So it's gonna be fun. We're filming this way out here. It's literally like 25 degrees. It's so cold, bro.
Hold on, let me check the weather. It's 40 degrees. 40 degrees. It's like a refrigerator. It's refrigerating.
Sure.
This hand's warm. This hand's freezing.
Mayonnaise.
Why does it hurt when I do this?
I don't know, maybe because we have some handcuffs around our wrists.
Doesn't hurt me. All right, so we just got done with the basketball video. We're heading home.
Cold as f.
This steel's cold as
We'll see you guys there.
We're on our way home.
My ass cheeks is cold, man.
What's an ass cheek?
Ass.
Let me ask Cheek.
Hey, Micah's ass, how are you doing?
We're officially home.
Oh,
what happened?
what was the point of that? You just feel her. Let me feel your hands.
Hang on, no, let me show you.
Oh! Oh my, come here. Feel him. But I want to like, I don't know. Give me your heat. What are you doing? Turn it off.
We're just now with full force. I don't know how to talk.
Look at the merch.
We're now. We're thawing up.
Merch.
Hi, my voice is gone.
They're official. I'm official with myself.
Yeah.
No,
I got Joe. Joe Mama.
I got booty.
What's Buta?
Booty-o! So we just not gonna realize something. Yeah, switching shirts kind of isn't possible.
Yeah.
But at least we can change our bottoms. So
First challenge, changing. All right.
hold on. Wait, come here. Look away. Turn around. I don't want you to. Okay. I'm good. Pulling down.
I gotta get all my pocket stuff out.
Bend down. Squat. Squat real quick.
Why do I have to squat? Oh, we're gonna have to be doing stuff single-handedly. Where is my bag? Oh, it's out here.
Babe, close your eyes. You got it?
Yep. All right.
Yeah. High five.
Yeah.
High five.
Didn't work. So I just realized I have to use the restroom, but it's only urinating though. So challenge 2, urinating.
I'm not excited for this.
No.
I don't wanna. God.
Here, just lock the door. All right. Hey! Go ahead.
You know when someone comes up to you at like a stall or a pop, what are they called?
Stall or
A urinator? Or a,
urinal?
yeah. You know when someone comes up to you next to you in a urinal and you can't piss?
That.
How in the hell are you pissing right now when I'm handcuffed to you standing right behind you?
No, I had the pause. It's always a pause and then I start.
You know what? Hurry up!
Challenge 2 completed. Urinating.
Wait, what did y'all just?
He just pissed.
Hold it, it's like our challenge, but not y'all.
We are now embarking on our journey.
Oh yeah. Tasty. I'd say we're about 5 hours in, approximately.
Next
4 or 5. Yeah, it's terrible. That shit is whack.
Where do you get a glass of chocolate milk?
Thank you.
Chocolate milk? Where'd you get chocolate milk? Stop.
Nowhere to run.
All right, so Skylar sadly has to take it. This isn't gonna work. All right, here we go. Just like
Cut
that.
it. Cut it off. Turn the fan on. Turn this off. This is so gay and stupid. Why do we not have 1 million subscribers?
Stop, please!
Stop.
Worst experience of my life.
Nice and refreshing. Never again, though.
Not for
This
me.
video doesn't get 1,000 likes.
Then we're doing this again.
No, we're
I'm
not.
joking, I'm
This
joking.
video doesn't get 1,000 likes. If this video does get 1,000 likes, what should we do, man?
Leave it up to the viewers.
We'll leave it up to you guys.
Leave it up to you guys.
This video gets 1,000 likes, we'll do whatever you guys say that is legal. Top comment, most likes.
All right.
Drop it. Check the time, see what we have left. Okay guys, we have 16 hours, 35 minutes, and around 20 seconds left of this challenge. We've been going strong.
There's like a freaking, there's starting to be like a mark.
Look at my wrist.
Go to sleep.
That's where we're just gonna go to bed now. We'll see you guys in the morning.
You, couch.
Couch out. Yeah, we're just gonna go to bed. We'll probably wake up, go to the gym.
How are we?
That's gonna be fun, dude.
What are we doing though?
You wanna try legs? I feel like legs would be. We're gonna get some sleep and we'll see you guys in the morning. Peace.
Yeah.
I woke up before them, and I'm pretty sure they're still handcuffed and they're asleep, so we're gonna go wake them up. Morning! How was your night?
Oh, I didn't know you knew how to work the camera.
I do. Adam, wake up!
Careful. Get up. Get up. Oh, can you hand me my phone over there so I can see how much time we have?
Yeah.
2 hours, 52 minutes, and 30 seconds left.
Oh,
Let's go, boy!
my arm's numb. Stop. Sorry.
Oh god.
I'm
Arm's asleep.
How you guys feeling?
Great.
Basically, We're doing a 24-hour challenge of being connected, best friend to best friend.
It sucks. And gym grind, so we gotta still pump some iron.
Yeah.
Anyways, could you look up my phone number, please? I don't have my card.
I'm sorry, there's just so much on. But anyway, like, I mean, it's pretty dedicated. I like it. But she's really gonna look you up down there because I'm putting something else in the system. So not that I'm not gonna help you.
Let's get this.
All right, 1.5 hours left.
And we're doing leg day.
Yep, we're almost done.
Here we go.
We'll start with 45.
Like everyone's looking at us.
Probably.
Yeah.
Come on, boy.
Lift your...
Nope.
Ow.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Beautiful. Hey guys, subscribe to the channel.
We're getting a barbell. Alright,
I got it. It's so cool though because it's a judgment-free zone. So we can. It's so cool because it's a judgment-free zone, so we can do this. We just can't. Yo, so we just got finished at the gym. They had to stop us from recording. Apparently, it's a long,
really bad workout. Legs right in your left bicep and abs. Alright, so we're about to head out.
We have like less than an hour left. We're actually heading to work, and right when we head to work is when the timers get in. So I guess we'll see you guys there.
We're on the 3-minute countdown. I'm gonna run away.
Yeah, we're gonna clock in at work.
No, I'm literally just about to run away from you.
Feel free. I don't want to see you in my life ever again.
Go away.
I'm so tired of this.
I still have a headache. I took ibuprofen.
They give it to you in a weird packet.
Yeah, I had to rip it open. There were 2. I mean, it's not that weird, but like, get away from me.
Working on it.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2,
Go.
1.
Yeah. Go.
Go.
Free. Every applause. No applause.
I feel so free on this side. How you feel?
I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to be in the same room as you.
I don't want to associate with you.
Moving departments today.
New challenge. Don't associate with your best friend for a week. How's that sound?
Easy.
Yeah. While I'm chowing down on a donut and he's waiting, what are you looking at? What video are you watching?
Watching name brand versus off brand.
Yeah, promote the channel.
Go check that out.
Yeah. Go like and subscribe.
Yes, sir.
Anyways, we're done with this challenge. Thank God. We'll see you in the next video.
Peace.